You're back with Just a Trying Father. I am headed to pick up a hypoallergenic dog for my son. It is a surprise because he really doesn't know what type of dog it is. He knows that I'm going to pick up a dog, but he doesn't know it's a soft-coated Wheaton. He's not going to be able to sit through the car ride. It's about 4 hours there and 4 hours back. So I don't know anything. Just a Trying Father. I'm going back to the house now for the fourth time. For the fourth time.
Quarter of a mile. Turn left.
Well, there's a GPS telling me that they're rerouting and I need to go the other way. I'm going back to the house again for the fourth time. And I'm just trying. I'm just trying. I'm trying not to get aggravated.
Turn left.
I'm trying not to be rude. And it is not easy.
GPS signal lost.
I'm taking this ride on my own. Just a Trying Father. I'm just trying. I'm really just trying. So 4 times now I've gone back to the house. I am back on the road for this 4-hour drive in order to pick up a dog for Duke. And I'm trying to do the right thing. I'm trying to be calm, not get agitated, not be rude. And it's difficult. It's extremely difficult. And if anyone has any pointers, I mean, I've tried a whole bunch of stuff. It's difficult when things rile up in you, right or wrong, because sometimes you are wrong for getting angry. You are misunderstanding something that was said, and that caused you to get angry. And sometimes you're right, but the way you went about being angry was wrong. Anger in of itself is not a bad thing. It's what you do with it that ends up being what's wrong. I would have liked to have given you guys more of a backstory, or everyone more of a backstory on why we're getting the dog for my son and Duke on Duke's Fun Time. But 1, I don't know if everyone wants to hear it, and 2, since this is brand new, I don't really feel comfortable divulging all that information, especially so early on. If you all would like to hear about our story, then so be it. Once I get to a certain amount and there's multiple questions about it, then I will go into it then. But I'm under the personal belief that everyone has a story, and no one's story is worse than another one's story. No one's story is harder or easier than another one's story. But each story is that person's story. And I truly believe that. Whether you may think that someone grew up with a silver spoon in their mouth and you think that that story is easier in comparison to yours, it's a lot easier to say that than to be in their shoes experiencing those issues and those things, and that's their burden to bear, and you may not have been able to bear that burden. So again, my personal belief in that, and right now I'm just talking and ranting. At first I thought this was somewhat crazy, where I was like speaking to myself, but as I'm speaking right now, it kind of seems therapeutic, which is interesting. So again, comment down below if you like what's going on, if you want to hear more about my thoughts, then let me know. But I got 4 hours of driving, and that's a lot of boredom. So if I see anything, but I'll get back with you when I'm closer, or when I get there. I'm almost there. Been driving for quite some time. I just wanted to share some of this beauty,
1/4 mile,
that
turn right.
I'm getting to see on this drive. I don't know if you got to see those mountains.
Right.
I just wanted to share some of this beauty with you. It's hard sometimes when we work so hard to do the things that we need to do. Sometimes we forget to look up. We forget to look around. And we forget that we're managing, we're stewards, we're managing what's around us. And we're managing this land, and we're a part of nature. Nature's a part of us. And we forget to see this beauty, and we forget to appreciate it. It's hard to believe I'm so insignificant on this earth that's so huge. And it was all made perfect for us, for living, for life. It's just an interesting thought. You know, even if I'm having a hard time, even if I'm struggling, there's an end, and there's a lesson. You know, I shouldn't want an easy life. I should want the ability to endure a hard one. For me, some of my more difficult and trying times in my life have allowed me to really appreciate the good times and the happiness and the great things that have happened to me. And I get to appreciate them so much more because, not that I'm an expert, but I'm very well versed, so to speak, in pain and suffering. And because I know what they are, when I'm happy, when I'm enjoying myself, when things happen that are outstanding, I get to appreciate them that much more, and they're just so much sweeter. Sometimes the way we look at things really changes how we believe in things, and the negativity that we tend to take away from things as opposed to the positive that we should see. Anyway, just thoughts driving and being isolated for months because of this coronavirus. I'm almost there. Okay, we're here. The transaction is over, and the surprise for Duke is right there. I'll get a better shot because I'm driving in the mountains and it's a little difficult to get around. Okay, had to stop, let the dog go to the bathroom, so give you a better hey buddy. Alright, I know what you guys think my son's gonna think of him. Wait till Duke sees him. Show you when we get home. Alright, here we go. We're going in to surprise him. Excuse the mess. Dude!
I want to wash my hands.
Mira!
He's shopping. I've been shopping. Oh, don't get me out of face. Oh! Hello, handsome. Oh my gosh, he's perfect.
Nope.
Shirt, dude. Why do I get a shirt?
It don't matter.
He's so puppy. So puppy. So cute. Look how cute he is. Why are you so scared? Why do you look so scared? Go sit down. Because he's new. Oh, this is new. Dad, you're holding him like a baby. Dad's going to talk.
Alrighty. And there is your new dog.
So cute. He's so cute. Doggy. Is he like a newborn or is he?
Yes, he is freshly weaned. I think he just made 8 weeks.
No. It's okay. It was just.
Yeah. Look at that. Was he just licking him? Because he showed me like no affection on the ride.
He's so scared.
He is scared. You have to understand it from a dog's point of view. Even though the dog's not human, he was taken away from his family and what he knows. So we are showing him the same love because he's going to fit into our family. So he's got to acclimate to our family. So he's scared, he's nervous, it's a new environment. But he is already bonding to you because he licked you and he showed me no affection.
So can I like hold back Loki so you can smell him?
I will introduce the two of them
You love him?
because Loki's not my dog. So when you see, he's not my dog. I have no ownership of him. I didn't want him from the beginning.
Stop.
Just putting it out there.